Hi TGC Fam, welcome back to Tall Girl Chronicles. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyelashes. I already started my makeup, already put on my concealer, foundation, highlighter, eyebrows. Everything is just for me to do my eyelashes and then do my lips. So you guys are seeing me from this stage. So if you want to see more, stay tuned. Alright, to start off the process of my eyelashes, I usually line up my eyes with the Kiss New York eyeliner, and it's Blackest black. Cheap little eyeliner that you get out the beauty supply store. Ain't nothing fancy, but this is the only thing that I just enjoy using because it just goes on so creamy. So I just line out the top of my eye. That serves as a guide for me when I'm putting on my lashes. And I'm using the makeup sponge to kind of stretch my eye without messing up my makeup. So that's how that looks lined. Already made your eye pop with that line. The next thing that I'm going to use is the Duo Brush On Adhesive with vitamins. I didn't even know I had vitamins in dark, and that's how it looks. And then when you pull it out, it looks like this little strip here with a brush. And then I'm using the Ardell Demi Wispies Faux Mink. I've used them several times, so don't judge how janky they're looking, okay? This is life. This is real life. So what I do is I actually use this brush and brush it onto my eyelid. I don't put it onto the lash itself because I haven't had much luck with doing that. I brush it onto my eyelid, not my lashes. So I kind of go behind my lashes and just brush it on to the very bottom. The reason why I put on the eyeliner first is so that I could actually put the glue on that liner as a guide, and then I go in and put on the lashes. So I also have this tweezer, eyelash tweezer from Ardell, and that's what I use to put on the lash. So then I just literally rest it on there and it sticks. It just works that way easier for me. So I start from the outer corner. So that's how it's looking. Ooh. So at this point I go in with my mascara, and I just got a cheap Volumizing Colourpop mascara. Nothing fancy. Just needed it at a point, and that was the only thing I could pick up quickly. And then I just put the eyeliner on my eyelash itself to blend it with the eyelash, the fake eyelash or the false eyelash. Then I also have an eyelash curler. So what I'm going to do is actually blend this in to my eyelash while curling the eyelash, both eyelashes together. And I just count to 10 while I do it as a guide. So that's how it looks, guys. So I'm going to do the other side. And you don't have to go too far in on your eye because you're not putting the, at least I don't put my eyelashes all the way on my inner eye, only on the outer eye, so I don't go all the way in there. And of course you can make it dry for a few, just a quick dry, 30 seconds. And then starting from the outer again, just resting it on top of that glue. Then we're going in with the mascara. Oops, the mascara again. Put it on your eyelash to blend it in with the false lash. And then we're taking the eyelash curler and just holding it, counting to 10. And there we have it. So what I do at this point is then I go back in with the eyeliner again, and I line the top of my eye above the lash itself. So that just makes everything nice and seamless. So there we go. So So that's how I do my eyelashes, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna actually put on some lipstick and then I'll give you a few clips of the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look of my face after I did my eyelashes. I just went back in and did my lips, and then I put some eyeliner and mascara on the bottoms of my eyes. So that's how my eyelashes look. Please let me know if you guys like it, if you guys have a different method to put on eyelashes a little bit easier. This is the best way I found. I've tried to put eyelash glue on the strip and then stick it on. It just does not work for me because my eyelashes literally curl back into my eye or back into my top lid. So I've just struggled a lot with trying to do it the way that I see people traditionally do it, but this is how I'm able to do it. So let me know, give it a try, let me know what you think, and if there's a better way of doing it, I'm open to suggestions. So if you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you turn your post notifications on. Bye TGC fam!